Fold mountains, formed by the collision and folding of the Earth's crust, can have several negative effects on human activities. Here are 7 of them. 1. Difficult terrain for transportation. The rugged and steep slopes of fold mountains make the construction and maintenance of roads, railways, and other transportation infrastructure challenging and expensive, leading to isolation of communities. 2. Limited agricultural opportunities. The steep and uneven terrain, along with thin and rocky soils, makes farming difficult. Agricultural activities are often limited to terracing or small-scale subsistence farming, which can be labor-intensive and less productive. 3. Risk of natural disasters. Fold mountains are prone to natural hazards such as landslides, avalanches, and earthquakes, which can pose significant risks to human settlements, infrastructure, and lives. 4. Harsh climate conditions. The high altitudes of fold mountains often lead to cold temperatures, heavy snowfall, and strong winds, creating harsh living conditions that can affect human health, agriculture, and general day-to-day activities. 5. Isolation and limited accessibility. Communities living in fold mountain regions may be isolated due to the challenging terrain and poor transportation networks, leading to limited access to healthcare, education, markets, and other essential services. 6. Resource extraction challenges. While fold mountains may contain valuable mineral resources, extracting these resources can be difficult and environmentally damaging due to the challenging terrain and the potential for causing landslides or other environmental disturbances. 7. Pressure on local ecosystems. Human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, and construction in fold mountain regions can lead to environmental degradation, including soil erosion, loss of biodiversity, and disruption of local water cycles, which can further exacerbate the difficulties of living in these areas.